Hi, good morning. This is Milan from Alicante Real Estate. We are here in the province sector region of Alicante. We are in the city of Torrevieja in May. It is very good weather here right now. We are here to show you a new opportunity. We have a new listing, which is an apartment 600 meters from Los Locos Beach, 700 meters from Playa del Cura. We have a penthouse / attico here in Torrevieja, 194,000 with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and an opportunity to make another bathroom. We have the very big terrace, which is actually 75 square meters, which is very big. You have very much space, a lot of opportunities to do stuff, and when you want to come and hang out with the people that you have invited, it is very easy to come hang out here. You have a lot of private area. Also, because on this floor, we are on the 2nd floor, this is completely private, so there is nobody on the same floor. Everybody has different floors, so there's 2 floors and this one is completely private. You have no neighbors next to you in the same building. Here we have a freezer, we have a wine cooler, which is all kinds of stuff that you can put here for a hangout, which is easy to organize. You can organize hangout easy. You have more than enough space to come here with your friends. Then also we have a very exclusive thing. This is not something that many apartments here in Torrevieja have. We have a private sauna, which also has a shower installed. It has been built around 6 years ago and it can hold up to 6 people. So after we've had our outside area, we will be coming into the living room. So first, which is very interesting and should be noted, we have a solar panel system. Upstairs we have about 6 solar panels, which will make sure that the electricity costs are greatly reduced, if not zero. So this is a huge attribute for this home, that it has solar panels installed. Now, here we have the living room area, which is a good living room area. You have enough space to sit around, and you also have a fireplace, which is nice and can be used in winter, of course. Then we move on to the dining area, where if you have had some home-cooked meals, you can definitely sit here, no worries, you can eat. Then there's also the open plan kitchen, which we have here, which have an open plan kitchen. If you've been making something here, some home meals or some eggs in the morning, you can quickly give them to your family, quickly give them to your friends. It's very nice, it's for good service. So then we come into the bathroom area, which has been renovated. It's a bathroom which has been renovated around 6 years ago. So it's a nice bathroom. Then we get into the 2 bedroom areas. So this is the first bedroom, which is the more spacious one, which also has an air conditioning unit installed, which by the way is installed in every single room. So there's no worrying about that. All the rooms are equipped with an air conditioning and you have a spacious bedroom here. So then we move into the 2nd bedroom, which is the bit smaller bedroom with a built-in wardrobe here, which is completely built into the wall, which also is equipped with an air conditioning unit, which all of the rooms, by the way, will have. Now, if you go straight from this bedroom here into the storage room, this is kind of a storage room where you can put everything, and the washing machine is here and stuff. There is an option to make this a 2nd bathroom if wanted. Now there are already 2 showers because you have a shower in the 1st bathroom and there's a shower with the sauna. But here you can make another bathroom, which by the way, we have a department who can do the renovations, Alicante Real Estate, who can help you with this if you want to renovate this into a functional bathroom for the 2nd bedroom. So we have moved now onto the private solarium part of this apartment. As you can see, there is solar panels here all around. Up top here, all around solar panels. Now, as you can see from this area, it is 50 square meters, around 50 square meters, which is completely space which you can completely use to your own will. So it is worth mentioning, of course, that this apartment has south orientations, which means for any season that there is a lot of sun, you will always have sun around these parts. Now, I would like to thank you all for looking at this video, for watching this video. If you've liked this, you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Alicante Real Estate. This was Milan. You have my number here, which you can contact me for any listings similar to this one or this one exactly, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you later.